high. In this video, you will learn how to use a breadboard as a beginner. But, first, you need to understand what is breadboard. A breadboard is a learning board for the students of electronics. Before starting working on Wero boards and PCB boards, it helps the students to learn connections. Since it's a prototype board, therefore it is used by almost every circuit designer. Connections of board. The breadboard has strips of metal underneath the board which connects the holes on the top of the board. They lay the metal strips out as shown in the image. In a way, the bottom and top rows of holes are connected horizontally while the remaining in between holes are connected vertically. We usually use the long bottom and top rows of holes for power supply connections. Rest of the circuit is built by placing components in between where the holes are connected vertically. We place integrated circuits in the middle of the board in a way that half of their legs are on one side of the middle line and half on the other. To use the breadboard, we place the legs of components in the holes. A metal strip joins each set of holes underneath the board, which forms a node. A node is a point in a circuit where two components are linked. Thus, connections between different components are established by putting their legs in a common node. It is necessary to use a breadboard systematically so that one can easily troubleshoot the issues that occur. Also, it helps others to understand the circuit. Here are some best tips to make circuits on the breadboard. Use the sidelines for power supply connections. Power the circuit or chips from the sidelines and do not directly from the power supply. Since you are just a beginner, therefore for your convenience, use black wires for 0 volts, or ground connections. Use red wire for positive supply connections. Try to keep the jumper wires flat on the board, so that the board does not look messy. Now in the next video, we will learn how to place resistors in series and in parallel on a breadboard. Before that, subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.